Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and after that refreshing breather we had with modifiers in the genitive plural, we are going to get into something a little more challenging, which is counting and specifying quantity. We already learned a little bit about how Russian counting is different from English counting or counting in many other languages, and we use different endings, different cases, depending on the number of items we are counting. So if you remember, numbers ending in the word 1, so that's 1, 21, 31, and so on, take the nominative singular. Whatever you're counting, whatever noun you have following those numbers is going to be in the nominative singular. So we have одна книга, one book. 21 книга, 21 books. Numbers ending in the words 2, 3, or 4 take the genitive singular. So две книги, 22 студента. And then numbers ending in 5 through 10 or 0, and this includes all the teens, take the genitive plural. So 5 студентов. 5 students. 12 книг, 12 books. 29 стульев, 29 chairs. And then finally, we have these indefinite quantities, много, which means many or a lot, мало, which is a little or not enough, нисколько, which is some or a few, and сколько, which is the question word, how much, how many. And all of these indefinite quantities take the genitive singular for uncountable items and the genitive plural for countable items. So we would say много воды, a lot of water, много воздуха, a lot of air, много молока, a lot of milk. These are all uncountable items, and so we use the genitive singular when we use много or мало or сколько. But if we have countable items, we use the genitive plural. Много бутылок, a lot of bottles. Много студентов, a lot of students. Много комнат, a lot of rooms. And finally, we have some special rules for counting children and people. And we have these special numbers двое, трое, and четверо that always take the genitive plural and that we use for counting children. So we say у меня двое детей. I have 2 children. У меня трое детей. I have 3 children. У меня четверо детей. I have 4 children. And then with counting people, we use the genitive plural form людей with the indefinite quantities много and мало. So we could say здесь много людей. There are a lot of people here. Здесь мало людей. There are not very many people here. There's not enough people here. But we use the form человек with сколько and with definite quantities, so specific numbers. So we could ask, for example, сколько здесь человек? How many people are there here? Здесь 20 человек. There are 20 people here. Now, if you had 21 people, we would say здесь 21 человек. If you had 22 people here, здесь 22 человека. But genitive plural is going to be the same as the nominative singular with the word человек when we have specific quantities. Здесь 20 человек. So there you go, a little more fun with Russian counting.